Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So September 12th is about 2 weeks away. Apple is set to announce their new iPhones at that point. So the first thing I wanted to talk about with this video is the 6.1 inch iPhone is supposed to be labeled to quote unquote be a cheaper priced iPhone, but cheaper priced to Apple is like 900 bucks. So don't get too caught up in the hype and the rumors about a cheaper iPhone. We thought there was going to be an iPhone SE2 as well, but that kind of died out quickly. But we don't know what Apple's going to pull. But what we do know is there's going to be a 5.8 inch iPhone to replace the current 5.8 inch iPhone, and there's going to be a 6.5 inch iPhone. Now that is the one that I'm interested in that one. I didn't get my Galaxy Note 9. I canceled that order, not because of the iPhone, but I'm just waiting for the prices on the Galaxy Note 9 to go down. But I know that the iPhone X Plus or whatever it's going to be called, the new iPhones, the big one is going to cost grip. So I'm looking to get that one if I can. Really excited about it. I'm really hoping that there's something they do with that 6.5 inch display, because you can have a big screen, but if you're not utilizing the canvas, it doesn't mean anything. Also, I hadn't heard much talk about it being an 18:9 ratio or a 19:9 ratio, so I'm pretty sure it's going to take that route. But for now, we can only speculate because these are rumors. But what do you guys think about Apple, going forward with this 6.5 inch display and not utilizing the canvas? Because currently iPhones just have, the icons. It's just a bunch of icons on there, and that is what Apple does. There's no widgets on the home screen. There's nothing. It would really be nice if they implemented split screen on the 6.5 inch iPhone. That would be nice, because I know they don't want to go too big because you get into the arena of the iPads. So I don't know how they're going to do this, but I don't know why they might think they might lose iPad sales because there's no other company in the market is challenging the iPad good enough to me to convince me to give up my iPad Pro. But with that being said, the 6.5 inch iPhone, I hope it does have split screen and has the ability to use a pen, the Apple Pen, if you will, or they make a smaller version of that, something along those lines. That would actually be fantastic. Now, I've heard that the 6.1 inch one is going to come later, and it's going to be the most affordable of all of these. Now, why that happens? Greed, money. We want to get your money first. Why wouldn't they release the more affordable one first? But again, we're still in rumor phase, so they could drop all three of them at the same time and let you decide. But if in fact they do drop just the 5.8 and the 6.5, according to 95 Mac, the 6.1 will come later. And if they do drop it like that, depending on the price, it will be wise for you to wait on the 6.1 if that's what you're looking for, if you don't want too big of a device. But I'm probably going to rock with the 6.5. I'm not sure yet. Or else I might just, rock out with the iPhone X still, the current model. There's nothing wrong with it. It's going to get all the updates and everything. iOS updates their products, and that's no secret. So one exciting part to this is, they're supposed to release this new gold color. And hopefully it's like this, what these photos show, this black and gold look to it. That would actually be really nice. 2 weeks is not far, folks. We're already at the beginning, at the end of August. It's August 30th as recording this video, and September 12th is right around the corner. So if they do an announcement on September 12th, that means by the end of October we'll have our iPhones in our hands, and that is a good thing. I love the iPhone launches. I really like how they surprise you sometimes with things. Most launch events are kind of boring at times, but Apple seems to lately they've been pulling things out of the hat, and I hope they do that. Now, they're supposed to also announce new iPads and possibly a refresh to the MacBook Air. The MacBook Air is a nice laptop. I have no intentions on buying it. I have a MacBook Pro, and I know the MacBook Air probably won't have the highest resolution. It might, I don't know. Again, rumor mill. But I'm really hoping that they do something nice for these iPhones. The iPad, I really don't care too much about that because I'm not buying another iPad. My iPad Pro works just fine. I have no intentions on swapping it out. But the iPhone though, I'm willing to buy an iPhone 6.5 if something about it that stands out from the rest. It's like the Galaxy Note line. They have the S Pen. You know what I'm saying? It's time for Apple to do something like that. Give that 6.5 inch one something other than just a big screen. You know what I mean? So, quick video. I wanted to let you guys know that on the 12th, the rumor mill is spinning. and September 12th is when they're supposed to make the announcement. I'm sure it's going to be a big deal. People love these launch events if you're a techie, and the average consumer gets to see this stuff afterwards. Now, I don't know. I'm leaning more towards the 6.5. For all you Apple fans out there, which phone or which one of those do you think you would be comfortable with? The 5.8, the 6.1, or the 6.5? If you've got big hands, obviously you're probably going to say the 6.5, but having a smaller phone with big hands is a good thing, because I rock with the Essential phone daily, and it's a good size, man. I don't have to fumble around with anything, and I can reach everything on the screen. So it's your man Jay. Quick announcement on the Apple event that's coming September 12th. As of now, it's September 12th. That could change. I don't know. I mean, I hit up 9to5 Mac, and shout out to BW1 on Twitter. I saw him posting a few things, so we shall see how this goes. It will be nice if they do a Mac Mini refresh. That's possibly in the works. I don't know. I have a 5K iMac and a MacBook Pro, so obviously I don't need a MacBook Mini. But we shall see how this works out. We'll see what Apple has to offer. And you know they're going to drag their foot in the announcements. So that's how they do it sometimes, try to keep the suspense going. But September 12th is just 2 weeks away. So what are you guys looking forward to with the Apple event? It's your man Jay. See you in the next one.